Python is the most popular programming language out there right now, and it's one of the easiest languages to learn. There are high job opportunities, and they pay really high. The average salary for a Python developer is about $80,000 a year. And Python can be used for automating things that are in computer, AI, machine learning, and web development. It is beginner friendly, and today we're going to be downloading Python and Pycharm, which is a text editor. Python, just go on the page, and then you press download Python, and then once you do that, you wait for it, and then we open it. You actually only click it once, and once you download it, you have to add it to path, or else it won't work properly. And then you install now, but I won't do that because I already have it downloaded. And then after that's done, you go to Pycharm and you go to download, and then you press the community free one, and then you get the Pycharm community.exe. Only click it once. And do you want absolute changes? But yes. Welcome to next. And then you click this. Oh no, you don't. That's not going to be there. You click next, and then next, and download it. And then after that, you're going to go into Pycharm once it's downloaded. It takes a while to load. Alright, so I already have Pycharm downloaded, so here you're going to go to Project Interpreter, and if you're on Windows, it's going to be Python 2.7, but we're going to be using Python 3.8.2. And then you just name your project Hello World, and then you create it, and new window. It's creating their virtual environment. Okay, so once it's downloaded, you go on here, and you're gonna have this file. Just don't worry about that. You're gonna right click on it, and it's gonna put new, and then you're gonna go to new Python file, and then you're gonna name it app, and then press enter. And then you're gonna get your first Python code. You can do print, print, parentheses, quotation marks, and then put hello world. And then after that, you're gonna go here, click run, and then run this, and run the app. And in the bottom, you're gonna get your hello world code. That's it for this one.